Hey Dyers! Hey, this video is actually for you and Aaron, because Aaron's not here, as you can see. And I just felt like making a video. I felt like this might brighten your day. Or night. Depending on when you watch it. Okay, I'm gonna start it now.
Automatic. It's systematic. It's hydromatic. Why, it's greased lightning! Greased lightning!
Get some overhead lifter, some 4-barrel quads, oh yeah.
Keep talking, won't keep talking.
Fuel injection cut up in chrome-plated rods, oh yeah.
I'll get the money, how can you get the money?
With the 4-speed on the floor, never waiting at the door.
You know that ain't shit, never get lost in
It's lightning. Sliding, you burn up the quarter mile. No grease lightning, you're coasting through the last drive. You want spring, the chicks are cream, for grease lightning. We'll get some French tail and 30-inch guns, oh yeah. A pound of the dash rolling through the tins, oh yeah.
I don't know why I thought that was funny, but it is. This is what happens when you study for 20 hours in 2 days. I love you all. Okay, bye.